I used to feel like I was constantly failing as a mom, as a wife, and honestly, as a woman. I was a mom at home raising our babies and managing our household and watching my husband burn himself out from working non-stop. But the guilt was the loudest of my day. And I was just like any other mom, thought that I need some fancy degrees or experience to start earning online. But the truth is, I just needed a system made for beginners like me. Fast forward 17 months ago, I found this beginner friendly system with support, live mentoring, and done for you product. And just like that, everything changes. And now I'm working 2 hours a day, earning in dollars from home. And this system gave me more than just money. It gave me peace. If you are that stressed out stay-at-home mommy on the other side and you really want to start help your overworked husband financially and you want to know more about the system that I follow for the past 17 months now, put the word start in my comments and let me plug you.